Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my 10 to 14 boy box. But first off, I wanted to show you, about a month ago I did a box for a girl 10 to 14, and I found this rose duct tape to put around it because there was a hole on the side. So I found this at Staples and I thought it was really cool, and I used some packaging from my kids' Valentine's chocolates that they got to cover up the logo on the top. And I know they're going to use tape to wrap this around, and it's fine if it rips. I just wanted to cover the logo and I had it on hand anyways. So if you haven't seen that unboxing, I will link that in the description below. So this is my 10 to 14 boy box, and it is a Bigfoot theme. I did not come up with this theme. I had a viewer email me a picture of her Bigfoot box and I thought it was great. And so it just has like Bigfoot in there along with characters that have big feet and shoes for him to wear. So thank you, Fiona, for the inspiration for this theme. And so now I will share with you my Bigfoot box. All right, so here is my boy 10 to 14 Bigfoot box. And on the lid, I just gave him some of these waterproof Bigfoot stickers. I love this one. It says reigning hide and seek world champion. Here he's doing the dab, and he has a car to match this one that Bigfoot's riding in. And I just used a small amount of this poster putty. I showed this in my Valentine box that I did, Bears and Roses. I just picked this up at Walmart. It's non-toxic and it is clean and reusable. So I didn't take the backing off. He can use them as stickers or just use them to take off and put in a notebook or whatever, or he can use them as stickers. So he can do whatever he wants with those stickers there. Okay, so at the top, he has a ruler that I was just able to fit in at a diagonal here, and he has mostly green items in his shoebox. So there's his ruler. Put it right there. I'm going to move this box to the side in a minute just so that I can have more room here to show everything. I think I'll put this over here. There we go. All right, he has a Bigfoot maze book here. Quite a few in here. And then at the back there's the answers. And I thought what he could do was, when he finishes the maze book, he could color with his colored pencils. He could make different colored patterns in the mazes. You know, like he could color different, make different patterns of colors in each page. So he could use this afterwards for that. And then he has his bright green notebook for school. I like that it says Canada on it. And then he has one of these Dollar Tree tote bags. This is the Juncture brand. Seems to be pretty good quality, but it's a drawstring backpack. And here is his colored pencils that I picked up at Dollar Tree a while back. He has a Rubik's Cube in here. I think this came from a Happy Meal from McDonald's. And then he has a nice math set in here that I also got at Dollar Tree. It has the world on there. My daughters, who are 14, use this same math kit. And it has metric weight on here, square measures, all kinds of different measures that you would need to use in math. And then I added in a fun little giraffe waterproof sticker. He's got green glasses and a green bow tie. He has a compact mirror in here with a picture instruction for his nail clippers. You can get these off of WikiHow. I've been printing these off for years. You can get them off of WikiHow, Google Images. That's where I found them. And then, of course, his green compact mirror is here.
I also added in some washi tape in that green color, some more eraser tops, an extra eraser, and then I switched out his pencil sharpener for a nicer quality one. And then he has a domino set here, a game to play, and it comes in a wooden case. And in Canada, we are not allowed to send dice, but we are allowed to send dominoes. And then here is that car to match the little bug car that Bigfoot is driving. And it does come in that green color. He has 2 toothbrushes. And then now this soap here, this is Irish Spring soap. It's made with flaxseed oil and it's called a deodorant soap. And I really hope that this boy appreciates strong smelling soap, because this baby is strong smelling. I triple bagged this and I can still smell it. So I really hope that he's a young man that appreciates a good smelling soap. And I bought these in bulk because it was cheaper. So I have 5 more of these Irish Spring soap. This is quite large, so I couldn't fit it with the box inside of the soap saver. So I just put it right next to it. All right, now here is his shoes. I bought these at Walmart for $2 last year. Now I will say Fiona's shoes that she had in her box were much nicer. I liked her shoes better, but I did like the price, and they do seem to be pretty good quality, especially for the price. And of course you can see here, this is his trolls. Now he doesn't really look like it, but trolls do have big feet, and I know that Fiona added a dinosaur that had big feet. So I wanted to do a Bigfoot, but they were pretty expensive. So this is actually from Frozen, and he came in a set that I bought last year, where I used the Anna doll and the Sven doll, and I just had that troll left, so he worked perfect for my box, and he goes with the color. All right, also in this shoe, he's got more assortment of Bigfoot stickers. I love this word. It says believe. Just good variety here. He could even share these with friends. And then he has a good quality whistle. This is made from an eco plastic. And then I gave him a solar powered calculator from Staples. He has a fun little monster guy here, eraser, and then there is a sharpener on the bottom of the feet. A little mending kit. And then he has a bunch of, he's got 2 Stettler brand markers. All of his pencils, he has a highlighter here and a green pen to use for school. And then at the very tip of the toe, I like to add in an extra pair of shoelaces for his shoes. So that's the first shoe. In his second shoe, a nice pair of Westcott scissors. He has his keepsake item, which is a silicone ring, and I just put a picture there to show him that it is a ring. And then I gave him 3 bouncy balls. I figured if he had 3, he could learn how to juggle with them. And they're all green, but they are different types of different patterns. He has 2 pair of socks here that he can use for his shoes. And then he has a fun fidget spinner. And then I was able to give him 2 pair. I love it when I can get 2 pair in for the boys. I can't always do that, but I love it when I can. I just wrap them in hair ties. These are size 14 boys underwear. And just to help keep them nice and tight in the shoe so that they would fit. And of course you can use the hair ties as well. And then a shoelace, an extra shoelace in the tip of this toe. And that's how I packed the shoes for this Bigfoot box. All right, and then he has on the side of his box a notebook. The little boy that I heard from last year who got one of my 10 to 14 boxes, he loved his notebook. It was one of his favorite things. So I think even the boys like to get a nice little diary to use. And then the very last thing at the bottom of his box is this pencil case for him to use. And I just put our postcard. See, it's got that nice bright green. And I just put our picture and message on the back of this postcard. And that is my Bigfoot 10 to 14 box. So if you're watching, thank you again, Fiona, for the inspiration for this theme. I would love to do this theme again next year. And thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. And I would love to hear if you have any questions or what you liked most about this box. And until next time, I will talk to you later.